Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah bin Masud states that Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, while we were in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a desert Arab got up and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, pass judgment regarding my case as per Allah's book. Then his opponent party got up and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he has spoken the truth. Decide his case in accordance with Allah's book, but accord me permission to speak first. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, speak. He said, my son was a wage earner with him. He committed adultery with his wife. So I was told that my son would be stoned to death. I thereupon ransomed him with 100 goats and a slave girl. I then asked the scholars about its precept. They told me that the woman would be stoned to death and my son would be flogged with 100 lashes and forced into exile for 1 year. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, by him in whose possession my soul is, I will pass the judgment between you as per Allah's book. The slave girl and the goats will be returned to you. Your son will be flogged with 100 lashes and banished for a year. And O Unas, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to a man of the Aslam tribe, you should go to that woman in the morning. If she confesses, stone her to death. So next morning, Hazrat Unas radiyallahu anhu went to that woman. She confessed, so she was stoned to death. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7260.